This is the Digital Demo Day 2023, the last one.
I mean, the Digital Demo Day 2023 was pretty amazing. It was fantastic, organized, a lot of people, more than 4,500 people, 300 startups, I mean, international startups. This is pretty amazing.
So Digital Demo Day is inspiring through its authenticity.
It was really great. I really enjoyed talking about my business and also listening about other startups. I think it's such an important topic to inspire people to follow their dreams and their passions. So I really liked it.
Take a look to the stage, to the main stage, all the people here. It's amazing, just amazing. Take a walk to the hall. It's fantastic.
Man ist so mit like-minded Leuten zusammen, die eben alle für ihre Leidenschaft brennen und ja, ich bin sehr froh, hier zu sein.
There are so many startups and so many people to connect with.
A perfect fit for us in the B2B ESG sector.
Trying to get our product and our visions to other people. I'm really glad to be here, actually.
Thank you so much, Digital Demo Day. Check this out.